Along with 136 countries, a worldwide film festival will be held on 14 October in Tripura, Agartala Don Bosco School. In this film festival, a total of 52 short films from 23 different countries were selected for nomination. This information was given by Father Joseph Pulintanat on Thursday at Agartala Don Bosco School in a press conference. The worldwide film festival is going to be held on coming 13 and 14 October. Along with the 136 countries, the second season of the Worldwide Film Festival live telecast will be held on 14 October in Tripura, Agartala Don Bosco School. In this film festival, a total of 52 short films from 23 different countries were selected for nomination. In this Worldwide Film Festival competition, 11 short films were selected from India. This information was given by Father Joseph Pulintanat on Thursday at Agartala Don Bosco School in a press conference.
Don Bosco Global Youth Film Festival nga singsaganangi hainganangi Don Bosco Society sikla sikli rok ni bagi samklai tungga abahai ha torogo sing Don Bosco Father Rock Don Bosco Society member rok lain kaisa film festival toke punuknani kaisa ter kotor klai mani omong pe nomani main nai Hollywood ni Los Angeles Don Bosco Oratory Don Bosco Youth Center bore aro nai omani main event sing toke rok no sing saganani bibinna jagao sing abana punuknani bagi chaita Chini Tripura hao ke Don Bosco Agartala toke rok no punuknai omo toke rok snamjak sikla sikli rok bai snamjak no tai omani kok bokri ke hamjak mane bisindi bahai ki sungsaro tansa te chubamung tubi manai abanote sikla sikli rok lai mane toke rok no
kai besuk toke punuk jangnai
total 52 toke punuk jangnai among 23 bibinna haktor bibinna desni tummani toke rok
hal basur romi chol na Africa
Chini abo singsa ganangi hai naiki to sanui tongo ai pano ching Tripura salsa simi klainai abo to 14th October Saturday operation
abo Don Bosco School khailana
Don Bosco School auditorium operation.
On this day, at the press conference, there were Father Joseph Pulintanat, Father John Joshiama, and Father Christopher present. Reported by Pranav from Agartala, Chini Khorang.